afternoon, folks. Big Bo with RVs of Big Bo at Parkway RV Center. Going to show you another hard-to-find used camper that you just don't hardly see anymore. And that is a A-frame style folding camper. And guys, this is a 2017 Forest River Palomino. A Real-Lite, because it's Real-Lite, only 2,100 pounds. And this is a folding camper, guys. Kind of like an A-liner. Pretty neat little camper. It only weighs 2,125 pounds, and it folds down to where it's less than 5 foot tall. Ideal, you can store it in your garage, out of sight, and folds up. It's a power lift, very easy to set up and down, so you don't have to crank it up like a pop-up. You can set this whole thing up in just 2 or 3 minutes. I mean, these things are ridiculously easy to set up compared to a pop-up or even a hybrid. And I know, guys, these are not for everybody. These are a lot smaller camper than what most of y'all are used to. I think the box size is not even 12 feet long. It's 19 foot overall length, including the tongue and that setup or towing. And it only weighs 2,100 pounds. Let's go over this thing, guys. It's only 11.9. It does have AC. I've got it hooked into 30 amp power. Looking around it, you do have dual propane bottles on the front. I love this rack on the front. This rack could have a lot of different uses. You can put your generator so you can run the AC if you want a boondock camp. You can put coolers up here, firewood, outdoor gear. If you're into deer hunting, put your game up here. I mean, you can do a lot of things with this space right here. I really like that. And I know it says 2011 on the tongue. I don't know why they put that on there. It's a 17. But deep cycle battery. Real neat little camper. It does have a fantastic vent fan if you are boondock camping. Does have a water heater. It's got onboard water tank. It does have an outside shower. It does not have a bathroom. So, you know, if you have to have a bathroom, this probably isn't the type camper you need to look at. Dry weight, again, 2,183 pounds. Got some good looking alloy wheels. I've got the Dometic Cool Cat right now cooling inside. Spare tire on the back. Pretty neat, guys. I like the way these things just fold up. I mean, there's nothing to it. Got some outside speakers, stereo. You know, got a lot of equipment in just a small space. Let's look inside. And there's your power switch, of course, for your power roof. Alrighty. As we step inside, got some pretty neat features. First of all, you've got a full-size stationary bed. So it is primarily set up for 2 people. And that's probably all you'd want to carry in a space this small. You can stand up. You do have tons of height clearance. I mean, that ceiling's probably 8 feet tall in the very middle. But you do have a table booth that can fold down and sleep an additional person or 2 if you need to. I can't imagine wanting to sleep in here with 4 people very long, but it'd have to be some very, very close friends or family. But hey, I guess if you're tired enough, you'll sleep anywhere. Got the sink, got the 3-burner cooktop with the space saver covers on top. Does have the 2-way RV refrigerator freezer. It does work. It is cold. Got a microwave. Does have a furnace. And because it's got the Cool Cat AC, it also has a heat pump. So if you're hooked into 110 power, save your propane and use your electric heat if you're wintertime camping. Of course, you got privacy curtains for all your windows, the fantastic vent fan, the boondocker's best friend. Pretty neat little camper, guys, and I know it's not for everybody. It's pretty small, I'm not going to lie to you. But, tell you, it gets the job done, and of course, you can set that table outside for a picnic table if you wanted to. It does have a cover under that bench seat right there when it's folded down. And just neat, just very simple, but hey, you're camping, and very reasonably priced for $11.9. It's 2,183 pounds. under 2,200 pounds, and it's got AC. It's got 2 forms of heat. You got propane cooktop, refrigerator. You've got everything but a bathroom, guys. And I know bathroom may throw a lot of people off, but I mean, if you had a bathroom in here, you wouldn't have room for much of anything else. But you can always put you a porta potty in here or something like that if you just absolutely had to. It may have one. No, it doesn't. But anyway, I wanted to do one more for the day, and I figured this would be a pretty quick and easy one, because once you get inside of it, it doesn't take long to show it to you. Not a lot to show you, really. It's one of them you take 3 steps forward and 3 steps back, and you walk the entire length of the camper. But hey, guys, it's got little storage netting in places, you know, over there, and then over here. I mean, it is what it is. And for those of you looking for something like this is definitely something that's worth taking a look at. It's priced right at $11,900. Financing available with approved credit and down payment. If you want to know the latest information about that, give us a call. 706-965-7929. We take trade-ins. And don't get these in very often. This first one of these I've had 2 or 3 years. They didn't make many of these, and there's not that many of them that pop up on the used market. People tend to keep these that have them. And because they're so lightweight, they're so much convenient. This is a lot more durable than the canvas on a pop-up, you know, because all solid fiberglass siding. So you don't have to worry about cables breaking. You don't have to worry about canvas rotting or getting mildew or anything like that. It's a solid side camper. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Just a quick little video just to finish it up for the day. If you want to come look at it, give us a call, 706-965-7929. Make sure it is available. $11,900, you know, we'll hook it up to power. We guarantee the roof air, or not the roof air, but the air conditioner to work. The Cool Cat AC, we'll guarantee the refrigerator, freezer to work. And we guarantee the water systems to work, as well as the top, the power top. So, anything else, of course, sold as is. But I mean, I checked the Fantastic vent fan, it works, the lights work, so there's really not anything left in here to really check. I've got the refrigerator, and I can feel it getting cold in the back of the freezer, so we're good there. Microwave lights up and all that, so we should be good there. So guys, we should be good to go on this one. Anyway, if you're interested in it, again, call before coming to look, make sure it's available. You know, you need to come inspect any other systems you want to see for yourself. Just give us a call at 706-965-7929. Thank you so much for watching. Smash me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And got some more trailers coming up. I don't know if I won't do any more today, but maybe tomorrow, or I might do a motor home. Who's to say? Depends on what I feel like getting out and doing tomorrow. And I'm doing a lot of these trailers because right now that's what everybody's buying, guys. Everybody's buying travel trailers like crazy. And I've got quite a few of them and got quite a few more to list. So I'm just doing the ones that I can plug into power so I can have some AC. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. We offer nationwide delivery, $1.50 a mile one way. And this is something you can tow with literally just about anything. I mean, under 2,200 pounds. I mean, that's pretty lightweight. If you want to know what your vehicle can tow, look in the video description below, and there is a link to our free tow guide. You can look up what your vehicle can tow. Push the lower right-hand button on the lower right-hand corner of the screen is a button that says show me RVs I can tow, to show you everything on my website you can tow with your vehicle. Thanks again for watching, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Green Gold, Georgia.